Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called Passifi. And it's the world's first triple compound token. So stick with me to the end that you know what this project is all about. So the interesting fact right now, it is on pre-sale. The pre-sale started yesterday. So if you go here on pre-sale, then you get to the pink sale finance site, and as you can see, they want 150 BNB and they already got 27 BNB, and the pre-sale ends in about 3 days, 1 hour and 50 minutes. So usually what's the big advantage if you join this project now during pre-sale? Usually, if you buy a token, then you have a certain percentage of slippage, and first of all, if you buy it now, then you don't pay the slippage. And of course, the idea behind getting in a pre-sale is that if the project launches, that the price goes up so that you make money immediately. As always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just going to show you this project now. So let me show you the pre-sale I just showed you. And it says world's first triple compound token. An endless stream of passive income. Sounds amazing, Let's see how it works. First of all, I will show you the white paper in a couple of minutes, but let me show you. First of all, you have fractional NFT rewards. What does it mean? If you stake these tokens, you will receive free airdrops of the NFTs. NFT of Passifi's NFT Vault token. This means you could become an owner of some of the biggest NFT collections in crypto for free, so to say. Then you have private sale airdrops, and you earn the token by staking. And you have fair launch NFT vaults. And interesting thing also, there will be learn to earn rewards. I will show you what this means. And there will be project acquisitions. By acquiring other projects, Passifi is able to consistently add large amounts of holders alongside low-cost marketing exposure. So here you can also see the roadmap. I will put the links in the description that you can see all of this in detail. As you can see, if you buy the token, as I've mentioned before, if you buy it during pre-sale, you don't pay this slippage, the tax. But if you buy it afterwards, you would have to pay a 5% tax if you buy, and if you sell it, 10%. So this is the token distribution, as you can see here. And let me show you. Here is also their Twitter. They have 2,567 followers right now, and you can join them for updates, or even here the Telegram group has 3,853 members right now. And this is now the white paper. Let me show you. Let me show you the most important things right now. I will put, the link will be in the description so you can read it in detail. But let me just show you. NFT vaults, Using funds from the pre-sale and treasury tax, it means if you buy and sell and all those taxes, Passifi will purchase NFTs, and this it's vault on fractional, a trusted third-party platform, which will ensure you can have confidence that the vault is safe. As the project and the vault will grow in size, bigger and better NFTs will be added to the vault, and you will have a fractional ownership of those, so to say. And NFT fair launch vaults, second one. Let's see how it works. Passifi will buy NFT and create unique vault for that NFT. With fractional tokens, Passifi will then set the starting market cap of the vault at a discounted rate and initially only promote the fair launch within the Passifi community. So if you get in there, you will be one of the first persons to participate in those NFTs. So, and then you have the private sale airdrops. And you can read this all in detail if you want to, but I'm just gonna give you an overview. What's also interesting, I would say, learn to earn. Learn to earn, how does it work? The learn to earn concept is simple. You read watch or research something, then you answer questions to prove you have done the learning. Once you answer the questions correctly, you receive a reward. I really like this. And yes, there will also be project acquisitions, as I've mentioned before. Here you can see the roadmap. And yeah, guys, you can buy it now on Pink Sale Finance during pre-sale. And yeah, no financial advice. I just want to show this project. Always do your own research before investing your own money. And guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.